Okay, so today we will talk about Form 5 Chapter 5, alright? Form 5 Bab 5 for Admaths. Revision lah. Okay, kita buat semua soalan berkaitan bab ni. Okay, we will discuss binomial and also normal one shot. Okay? Alright, so the starting part will all be on binomial. Soalan-soalan awal semua berkenaan binomial. Soalan-soalan nanti, the later question will all be on normal. Okay? One normal. Wait guys. Okay. Wait let me come back. Okay, so guys, when I discuss these questions, you guys want me to call your name to answer the question or how? Or public? Kamu nak saya panggil nama orang atau tanya public? Your choice guys. You decide for yourself. Saya takkan bagi tahu. You all decide. You all want public or private? Because today is all on question only. Semua tentang soalan saja. So anyone? Do you want public or private? Should I call name ataupun tanya secara umum? May I know? Everyone here. Come on, give me some response. Bagi respon. Kamu menentukan apa yang saya akan buat nanti. You will decide what I want to do. Public Guna nombor 2 versus 1. Okay lah, I follow majority lah public. Okay, saya guna public. Okay guys, so you can see the first question here. Okay, got in BM and DLP also. Okay, so they say that two fair dice are tossed at the same time. Okay, and then the number A and B are recorded on both surface. Okay, kamu baling dua dadu adil lah secara serentak. Okay guys, may I know what is the meaning of a fair dice? Apa maksud dadu adil? Can anyone tell me? What do you understand by the meaning of fair dice? Apa kamu faham tentang dadu adil? Very good. Guys, you must remember, fair dice got always 6 sides. Okay, ada 6 permukaan untuk dadu adil. You must understand that. Okay? May I ask, do we have biased dice or not, guys? Can I ask you all? Adakah kita ada dadu tak adil? Ada tak kat dunia ni? Is there a biased dice? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, definitely got biased dice also, guys. Kamu juga ada dadu tak adil. Okay, so if I ask you, if it's a fair dice, is the probability of getting every single number on different surface the same? Yes or no? If it's called a fair dice, will the probability be constant for every single surface? Adakah nilai kebarangkalian dia sama tak untuk setiap permukaan dadu kalau dia adalah dadu adil? Yes, of course lah. Okay, they call it fair dice because the probability is same to get number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dapat nombor 1 sampai 6 semua kebarangkalian dia sama sahaja. Everything is the same. Okay, that's why we call it fair dice. So you must understand that. Okay, so now they are focusing on X. Okay, so X represent the score on both dice. Okay, dia mewakili jumlah atas kedua-dua dadu adil. So now they are asking you, what are the possible values of X? Okay, apa nilai mungkin untuk X? So anyone? Can you all try and see what are the possible numbers for X? Try to think and see what are the answers. This one is more on logic. Okay, got another condition, guys. A must be equal to B. Okay, nilai di atas kedua-dua dadu yang di lambung kena sama. Okay, the values on both dice that you get should be the same. Okay, and then you take the sum of both of the number. Kamu ambil hasil tambah dua-dua nombor. So may I know what are the possible answer? Apa jawapan mungkin, guys? Cuba fikir. You have total 6 answers. 6 jawapan kamu kena bahagi untuk nilai mungkin X. You have 6 possible answer. So anyone? Try and see. Come on, guys. What is the answer? Anyone? What is your possible value of X? Apa nilai mungkin bagi X? You throw 2 dice, the number must be the same on both dice. Nilai kena sama atas dua-dua dadu. So apa jumlah yang kamu boleh dapat? What is the total you can get? Okay, so Ryan Raj, yes, very good. Okay, that is the answer, guys. Okay, you can have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, so how does this work, guys? Okay, so since they say A equal to B, okay, nilai A kena sama dengan nilai B. So it means that A can be 1, B can be 1, A can be 2, 2, 2, 3, 3. Okay, and then you can also have 4, 4. Okay, and then you can also have 5, 5, and 6, 6. So these are all your possible combinations, guys. Ini adalah semua gabungan yang mungkin. Sebab dua-dua nombor atas dua-dua dadu kena sama. Okay, the two numbers on both dice must be the same. So then you just plus lah, one by one. Okay, so 1 plus 1, you get 2. 2 plus 2, you get 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So itu cara saya boleh dapat jawapan ni. Okay, guys, are you clear? How to get the answer? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. The rest, adakah kamu jelas macam mana dapat jawapan ni? Senang kan? Easy, right, guys? You all can understand, right? How to get your possible X values. Okay? So we continue. If anyone got question, please ask in the chat box. Kalau ada soalan, tolong tanya dalam ruangan komen. Okay? Jangan risau. Okay, so now we look at the second question, guys. So for the second question, they ask you to find the value of Q. Okay, cari nilai Q. Okay, guys. So first concept, what is your total probability, guys? Apa jumlah kebarangkalian kamu dalam bab ni? Yes. Okay, always remember your total probability must always be 1. So means that yang ni, semua tambah yang ni kena sama dengan 1. Okay, you add all these values, you should get number 1. Okay, so then you can find the Q value. Okay, kamu boleh cari nilai Q. So 1 over 12 plus 5 over 12 plus 1 over 3 plus Q equal to 1. So tekan calculator, cari nilai Q. Okay, you solve for your Q answer. Okay, guys, this one very easy lah. Soalan A. Okay, so your answer you will get Q equal to 1 over 6. 1 per 6. Okay, next question. They ask you find the probability X greater than 2. Okay, cari kebarangkalian yang ni. So guys, can you all type for me what is the equation? Apa persamaan dia untuk soalan ni? What is the equation you can write? Remember, this is binomial lah, guys. Sebab soalan cakap boleh ubah rawat discrete. Discrete random variable, there's only one that you all study, which is binomial. Okay, tabuhan binomial. So anyone, can you express? Cuba ungkapkan yang ni bagi saya. Yes. Okay, when you express this one, you should get Px equal to 3 plus Px equal to 4. Guys, can I say Px equal to 2? Adakah saya boleh tambah Px sama dengan 2? Yes or no? Very good. Okay, tak boleh ya. Sebab yang ni binomial. Binomial is a discrete variable. Okay, dia adalah pemboleh ubah discrete. Jadi kamu kena ikut simbol ketaksamaan. You must follow the inequality sign 100%. Okay, so since they say greater than, lebih besar, so nombor 2 tak boleh masuk. You cannot include number 2. Alright, so just take this one plus this one. Okay, tambah 2 nilai ni saja. Then you will get the answer. Okay, 1 per 2. Are you clear, guys? Kalau jelas type 1, tak jelas type 2. Okay, if you understand type 1, don't understand type 2. Okay, 1 Okay, so continue Okay, so next question. Soalan ketiga. Okay, so for this question, they ask you to draw the tree diagram. Okay, bina gambar raja pokok. Alright, so the question is, the student will get 2 points if he behaves well and -1 if he behaves badly. Okay, 2 markah kelakuan baik, tolak 1 markah kelakuan buruk. Okay, so okay, so they give you symbol. Plus means good, minus means bad. Okay, tambah tu baik, tolak tu buruk. Okay, so kamu kena guna simbol ni bila bina gambar raja pokok. Okay, you must use these symbols. And then it is for 3 weeks, guys. 3 minggu. So guys, may I know how many branches will you have in your tree diagram? Berapa cabang kamu kena buat dalam gambar raja pokok? Kalau dia cakap 3 minggu, 3 weeks. So how many branches you should have? Logic. 3 weeks means that how many branches, guys? Yes, 3 branches lah. So you must do one for 1 week. 1 cabang untuk 1 minggu. So total 3 minggu, 3 cabang lah. Okay, so kamu akan dapat jawapan macam ni. Okay, this will be your answer. Okay, so the possibility is baik. Okay, when baik you just put plus, when buruk you just put minus. Okay, so plus minus, then you continue to break it down. Okay, cuba cerakinkan lagi. Okay, become plus minus, continue. So totally you will get 9 in the end. Kamu akan dapat 9. 8. You will get 8. Okay, 8 outcomes. 8 kesudahan. Okay, so how you count these guys? Macam mana kira? Okay, so dia cakap 2 markah kan? Kalau berkelakuan baik. Okay, you will get 2 marks. Okay, so means that 2 plus 2 plus 2, you will get 6. Am I right? Okay, then you just do for the rest lah, guys. Okay, so this one 2, 2, this one is 1. Sorry, minus 1. Kalau berkelakuan buruk, dia tolak 1 dalam soalan dinyatakan. Okay, if bad behavior is minus 1. Okay, so 2 plus 2 minus 1, you get 3. So this is how you fill up lah. Okay guys, do you understand the tree diagram? Boleh faham gambar wajah pokok ni? 1 atau 2? 1 or 2? So make sure kamu tulis yang ni juga guys. You must write your outcome. Jangan buat yang ni saja. Don't only write or show this one. Okay, you must always write down your outcomes. Kena tunjuk kesudahan. Ryan Raj. Oh, your 3 is just now answer. Sorry, I get confused already. Okay, so the rest, 1 atau 2? 1 orang saja jawab. Are you all clear guys on this tree diagram? 1 or 2? Clear, huh? Okay, so next one. Okay, so for question 3B, they ask you to list all the possible outcomes. Okay, senaraikan semua kesudahan yang mungkin bagi X. Okay, so what are the possible outcome, guys? You just need to refer to your tree diagram. Okay, rujuk gambar wajah pokok saja. So guys, can you tell me what are your possible value of X? Apa nilai-nilai mungkin bagi X berdasarkan kesudahan kamu based on your outcome? Can you all list down or not? So what are the possible outcome? Anyone? Cuba senaraikan bagi saya your final answer. Anyone? Come on. What is your possible outcome, guys? Apa kesudahan yang kamu ada untuk nilai X? Senang saja, guys. Very simple only. Rujuk yang ni saja, guys. Just refer this one. Yes. Okay, the answer is negative 3, 0, 3, 6. Ini sajalah. So guys, saya nak tanya kamu. Kamu nampak 3 nombor 3 kat sini. Betul? You see 3 number 3s. So guys, does it mean I must write like this? Adakah saya perlu ulang nombor macam ni? Do I need to write my answer like this? Yes or no guys? May I know? Adakah saya perlu buat macam ni? Sebab saya nampak 3 kosong dan 3 3. So saya tulis 3 kali. Do I need to write it out 3 times? Yes. Okay, no need guys. Tak perlu tulis 3 kali. Okay, because they only want you to show the different type of answer you can get. Tulis jawapan berbeza saja. Jawapan sama tak perlu tulis lagi sekali. You don't need to write the same answer again. Okay, so this is the concept. Okay, and one more thing, when you write the answer, make sure you write it like this. Okay, kena tulis jawapan dalam format ni. Jangan tulis dalam format macam ni. Okay, walaupun jawapan betul masih salah guys. If you write like this, it's still wrong. Okay, please take note. Your answer will be wrong. You must write in this format, the bracket. Okay, kamu kena lukis kurungan ni. Okay, you must draw the bracket. Then only your answer correct. Okay. So this is for question number 1. Question number 3. Soalan 3. Okay, can guys? 1 or 2? 1 atau 2 untuk soalan 3. Senang kan? Very simple, right? This all we are talking about binomial. So far semua tentang binomial. Okay, tabuhan binomial. Okay, so now we go to question number 4. Soalan keempat. Okay, so they tell you got 3 attempts. Okay, kamu ada 3 percubaan. So guys, bila kamu nampak yang ni, apa nilai dia yang dia maksudkan? What value does it represent in your binomial formula? Binomial formula is like this, right? So these 3 represent what? Nombor 3 tu mewakili apa kat sini? Yes. Okay, you must remember guys, whenever they say 3 attempts, 3 kali percubaan, this is your n value. Okay, ini adalah nilai n. Alright. Okay, so now they tell you that the probability of throwing a tennis ball in a basket is 0.45. Okay, kamu baling sebuah bola tenis, kebarangkalian dia masuk adalah 0.45. So guys, 0.45 ni mewakili nilai apa? What does 0.45 represent? May I know? Which value? Yes, it represents your probability of success, guys. Kebarangkalian kejayaan. Okay, iaitu nilai P kamu. Alright, is your P value. Okay, so now, may I know what is your Q value, guys? Apa nilai Q kat sini? Can you all comment? Since kamu dah ada nilai P, so Q value will be, yes, 0.55. Q equal to 1 tolak P. Okay, so you will get 0.55. Okay, boleh, right? Very easy, right? Okay, so now your task is you must find the R value. Okay, kamu kena cari nilai R. Okay, so before that, they ask you to show that X is a discrete random variable. Okay, so macam mana tunjuk X ni adalah sebuah pemboleh ubah discrete, guys? May I know? How do we show it? Macam mana nak tunjuk? This one. They ask you to show. Tunjukkan dia adalah pemboleh ubah rawak discrete. So anyone? What is your method to show? So you must take note that X represent the number of time a tennis ball enter the basket. Okay, X mewakili bilangan kali bola tenis masuk ke dalam bakul. Okay, so can anyone tell me what are your possible value of X, guys? Apa nilai-nilai mungkin kamu bagi X dalam soalan ni? Anyone? So kamu ada 3 percubaan, guys. You only have 3 attempts. So what are your possible X values? Apa nilai-nilai mungkin kamu? Yes. Okay, your possible X value is 0, 1, 2, 3 lah. Okay, sebab kamu hanya boleh baling 3 bola. You can only throw maximum of 3 ball. Okay, and then the possibility is 0 bola masuk, 1 bola masuk, 2 bola masuk atau 3 bola masuk. Okay, so these are all your possibility. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now to show that it is a discrete random variable, untuk tunjuk dia adalah tabuhan discrete, kamu kena buat pengiraan. You must show the calculation, guys. Okay, so what calculation? You must do one by one. Okay, you have to find Px equal 0, Px equal 1, Px equal 2, and also Px equal 3. Okay, kamu kena cari semua kebarangkalian ni secara berasingan. Okay, you must find all this probability one by one. Okay, so just use your formula lah. Okay, guna rumus tabuhan binomial sahaja. Okay, so you will get this answer. Kamu akan dapat jawapan ni. Okay guys, you know how to key in this in your calculator, right? Semua ni kamu tahu masuk dalam calculator. Am I right? Do you all know that? Kamu semua tahu kan macam mana nak buat? You all know how to use it, right? Make sure tekan betul lah, guys. Jangan tekan silap. If you press wrongly, kesian saja. Hilang markah. Okay, make sure you know how to use your calculator. Okay? Then you will get all these answers over here. Okay guys, so may I know the total of these answers? Jumlah semua jawapan ini akan dapat nilai apa, guys? May I know? What is your total of all these answers? Yes, very good. Okay? 1, guys. Tak boleh 2. Guys, you must remember, your total probability must always equal to 1. Okay, jumlah kebarangkalian kamu selalunya kena 1. Okay, you must remember this, guys. So, kamu boleh check lah sendiri dengan semua nilai ni. Okay, you just press one by one. Tambah semua nilai ni. Tengok dapat 1 tak? You just press all of these answers in the calculator. So, if you get 1, means your calculation is correct lah. Maksudnya, penggunaan rumus kamu tu betul. Okay? Alright. So, you can do the conclusion like this. Okay? So, you just show the formula. Then, you just conclude X is a discrete random variable. Pemboleh ubah rawak discrete. Okay? Alright. So, we go to question B, guys. Soalan B. They ask you to list down all the possible outcomes. Okay? Senaraikan semua kesudahan mungkin. Okay, so for this one, they ask you to draw a graph, guys. So can anyone tell me, how does a binomial graph look? Everyone, macam mana graph binomial nampak? Can you all describe to me a bit? Cuba huraikan. Yes. No. Binomial, guys. Tabuhan binomial. Bell shape is normal lah. Remember. Yes. Okay, it must be lines, guys. Dia kena garis. Okay, ingat. Graph tabuhan binomial tu macam graph garis kamu. It's like your line graph. Okay, you will just draw lines only. Okay, and then are the lines vertical or horizontal? Adakah garis tu menegak atau mendatar? Yes, very good. Okay, it's a vertical line. Okay, garis menegak. Okay, So you just need to draw it based on all these values over here. Berdasarkan semua nilai ni. Alright? Okay, so your graph will look something like this. Okay, so over here, sometimes it's hard to plot this value. Am I right, guys? Susah kan nak plot nilai macam ni? Sebab ada banyak tempat perpuluhan. There are many decimal place. Okay, so what you can do over here is you try to convert it to fraction. It'll be easier. Okay, guys, kamu tukar semua nilai ni ke pecahan. Okay, dan skala kamu kat paksi Y pun boleh tulis dalam pecahan. Okay, you can always write your scale on the Y-axis as fraction. No problem one. Okay, fraction also can. But decimal is a bit hard because you have 4 decimal place here. 4 tempat perpuluhan. So dia suka sikit nak plot. Okay, atas kertas graph. Okay, so better you convert to fraction. Lebih tepat kalau kamu tukar ke pecahan. Okay guys, do you get me? So this is your label lah for your x-axis and y-axis. Okay, kamu kena label macam ni. Alright, clear? Boleh kan? Senang kan? So remember the shape of the graph guys. Okay, ingat bentuk graph binomial. This is your binomial graph. Okay, jangan lukis selain yang ni tau jika tanya dalam exam. Okay? Alright. So 1 or 2 guys? 1 atau 2 sampai sekarang? Wow, not bad. No question lah guys. Tak ada soalan lah setakat ni. Semua clear. Tak ada apa-apa nak tanya. Guys, sometimes right, when the class going on very smooth right, I start to panic. You know why? Bila kelas berjalan sangat lancar, saya pun nak panik. Sebab kadang-kadang kalau terlalu lancar tahu, saya pasti kamu semua akan ada soalan. Tapi tak mau tanya. Betul tak? Usually when the class go very smooth, right? You will have question 1, but you don't want to disrupt the class. Am I right? Do I guess your feeling correctly, guys? Adakah saya teka perasaan kamu dengan betul? Because usually it's not that smooth. Biasanya tak sangat lancar. It's very smooth, that's why I'm asking. Maksudnya kamu semua memang ada soalan lah. Okay, tak apa. Bila masanya tiba, kamu tanya tahu. Okay, jangan simpan kat dalam saja. Okay, when the time come, you just ask. Don't worry. Okay? Alright. So we go to question number 5. Okay, no. Means I overthinking. Okay, so for question number 5, very simple. Okay, sangat mudah. So guys, based on this formula, may I know what is your n value? Apa nilai n guys? Kat sini. Very good. Okay, what is your p value guys? Nilai p, binomial. Yes. Okay, so guys, you must remember, mereka akan tulis macam ni. They will write like this. Okay, so it represent NP. Okay, so you must remember the quantity atau parameter dia. This is what we call as parameter. Okay, they will ask you parameter one in the exam. Okay, alright. So what is your Q value, guys? Apa nilai Q kat sini? Very good. Okay, 0.6. Okay, so now you can start to answer the question already. Boleh mula jawab soalan. What B ya? B is binomial, guys. Okay, B is binomial. And then if you see n, n is normal. Okay, when you see like this is for tabuhan normal distribution. Okay, all right. So now they ask you to find px equal to 2, guys. Cari px sama dengan 2. So can anyone cuba tekan calculator, bagi tahu saya jawapan? What is the answer you get? Now I make you guys do the question lah. Kalau tak sangat boring kan? At least you guys try to press the calculator a bit. Cuba tekan calculator sikit. Apa nilai untuk A? All the value is on the screen already. So you just sub inside the formula. Guna rumus binomial saja. So anyone? Answer A. What is it? Apa jawapan dia? Bila tekan calculator tahu guys, you must also be fast. Okay, make sure you press your calculator fast. Kena tekan calculator cepat. Okay, very good. Okay guys, usually right, for binomial, cuba bagi jawapan kepada 4 tempat perpuluhan saja. Maximum. Okay, binomial guys, always remember your final answer 4 decimal place. Only. Maximum. Okay? Jangan lebih. Okay, don't give 5, don't give 6. Okay? 4 enough already. 4 cukup. Okay, correct. So your answer should get something like this. Okay, jawapan dia macam ni. Alright? So you just substitute everything the formula, ganti semua, cari nilai. Okay, next one. for question B. Okay, can you guys type out for me? What is the expression over here? Apa ungkapan kebarangkalian dia kat sini, guys? Anyone? They say X greater than or equal to, X greater than 4. X lebih besar daripada 4. So how can you express it? Or you can give the final answer also if you want. Boleh bagi jawapan akhir juga kat saya after you press calculator. Okay, very good. Correct. Okay, so Px equal to 4, you can write something like this. Okay, Px equal to 5 plus Px equal to 6. Okay, so this is your expression over here. Ungkapan dia. Okay, so anyone? Final answer? Jawapan akhir, come on. Jangan malas tekan calculator, guys. You must be hardworking to press your calculator. Sometimes something as simple as pressing calculator, you also can make mistake. Okay, kadang-kadang benda semudah tekan calculator pun boleh salah. So jangan underestimate kemahiran tekan calculator tu. Itu juga satu kemahiran sangat penting. It's very important one. Okay, so you must know how to press. Okay, so let's check and see. Ryan Raj, 4 decimal place always. Remember, not 5, cannot give 5 decimal place. Usually 4 only, maximum for binomial. Okay, so you need to round off your answer. Okay, bundarkan. Yes, very good. Okay, guys, so this is your final answer. Ini adalah jawapan akhir. Okay, boleh kan, guys? Clear, right? Okay, so next one. Question C. Soalan C. So the final answer lah, guys. Jawapan akhir untuk soalan C. What is your answers? Guys, if others also can try, it's better. Jangan bagi satu orang saja kira tahu. Okay, you guys also must count. Don't just let Ryan Raj count everything. Later he also get tired already lah, guys. Dia pun letih kira semua. So you guys must help him also. Okay? So anyone? Do you have the answers? Adakah anda sudah dapat? Anyone, guys? Answers? 5C. Cuba bagi tahu saya apa jawapan yang kamu dapat. What is your answers? Come on. Okay. No. Yes. Very good. Lifa Sumarji. Okay, correct. Okay, the answer is 0.5443. Okay, ini adalah jawapan dia, guys. Okay, do you understand, guys? Anyone need me to show how to press calculator? Siapa nak saya tunjuk macam mana tekan calculator untuk yang ni? Anyone? Type me if you want. Siapa nak? Komen saya dalam ruangan komen. Kalau tak ada, saya proceed saja kepada next question. Okay, Nana? Tak ada? Okay, you. Okay, so Chu. Okay, so how to press calculator for this type of question? Okay, based on what I think lah. Okay, I will try to press it separately. Okay, I will tekan it separately. So what I mean separately is this one I press first, then I press this one, then I press this one. So you continue just plus everything. Okay, you just keep on press the plus symbol. Okay, so 6C0, you press in the calculator, you know, right? The C symbol combination. Okay, 6C0, then you press 0.4. Okay, 0.4 power 0 is 1. Am I right? 0.4 power 0, you can cancel already. Okay, so you no need to press that. Okay, so you just direct press 0.6 power 6. Okay, so you will get this answer, guys. Okay, kamu akan dapat wait guys. 0, sorry. Cannot do like this. Okay, guys. Remember, I also make the mistake just now. You must put the time symbol in between. Okay, kena letak simbol darab, guys. Kalau tak letak darab, kamu akan dapat jawapan salah. Okay, you must put the time symbol. Okay, then you continue plus. Make sure bracket guys, kena letak kurungan. Sebab Kalau tak ada kurungan, habis. Jawapan kamu salah. Okay, so you can see how I type over here. Wait, Okay, guys. Can you see this? Okay, tengok yang ni, guys. Macam mana saya type. So you must type exactly like how I show over here. Can you see it? YouTube? You see how to type. When you have power, you must put the bracket. Kena letak kurungan bila ada kuasa. Okay? Can? So then you press equal sign lah. Okay, and then you plus again. The last one, yang terakhir. Okay, bracket when you have power. And then you will get the answer. Okay, can you see, guys? Kamu akan dapat jawapan ni. Okay, are you guys clear how to press calculator? So you can play around lah with your calculator and see. Okay, you can see how I write the thing in the calculator. Macam mana saya buat jalan kira. Okay, alright. Can okay, so next one, number 6. Okay, so question 6. Okay, guys, now you tell me. Kamu bagi tahu saya pula. Bila kamu nampak soalan pattern macam ni, adakah ini binomial atau normal? When you see this kind of question, is it a binomial question or normal question? Anyone? Binomial or normal? Okay, so apa yang menyebabkan kamu kata binomial? What is the reason you guys say binomial? Can anyone tell me a keyword in the question? One keyword only. Satu kata kunci saja. So this is how you identify, guys. Is this question binomial or normal? Kamu kena lihat kata kunci. Bukan? Orang tu bukan kata kunci. Okay, Ken. Very good, Samantha. Yeah, that is the answer I want. Randomly, guys. You must understand, the condition for binomial, it must be a random sample. Dia kena satu sampel yang lawak. Okay? Itu adalah syarat dia. Okay, so that's what you must understand. Whenever you see the word randomly, most likely it's going to be binomial already. Okay, high chance dia akan jadi soalan binomial. Okay? Alright. So first one, may I know what is the expression you will write, guys, for the first question? Kamu akan tulis ungkapan macam mana? Exactly 3 housewives. Tepat 3 orang suri rumah. So how do you write out your probability expression? Yes. Okay, correct. You can say W equals to 3. Very good. Okay, Ken. W or X also can. Okay, kamu boleh guna apa-apa simbol yang suka lah, guys. You can use any symbol. Okay. You can also like write an assumption. Okay, you can say X equal to number of housewife. Okay, X tu mewakili bilangan suri rumah. Okay, kamu boleh buat anggapan macam ni juga. Okay, you can write out this assumption before you start solve the question. Okay, so that kamu maintain simbol yang sama. Kalau X, kamu maintain X untuk semua soalan. Okay, you maintain it for all the symbol. Don't just like part A you use X, part B tiba-tiba keluar Y. Jangan. If you use X for part A, B pun kena guna X. Okay, don't switch the symbol between question. Okay, kalau tak, it might give you the wrong answer. Okay, you might lose mark. Boleh hilang markah. Okay? Alright, so guys, what is your n value here? May I know? Apa nilai n kamu, guys? This question. Yes? N equal to 8. Okay, P, guys. P sama dengan berapa? Nilai P. Yes. Very good. Nilai Q? What is your Q value? Very good. Okay, 0.4. So setelah analisis semua ni, baru tengok soalan. Okay, you must analyze all the info first. Then only you go to the question. Okay, so first one, same step, press calculator only. Okay, tekan calculator saja. Okay, so Px equal to 3. Then you will get the answer. Dapat jawapan. Okay, so next one, part B. So can anyone tell me final answer, jawapan akhir? Saya tak mau tanya ada langkah-langkah di tengah-tengah. Direct, give me your final answer. You all try and see. Part B is a bit long. Bahagian B ni sedikit panjang sebab jumlah dia sangat besar. It's a very big total. Guys, saya nak tanya sajalah. Adakah kamu semua masih ingat tak syarat-syarat untuk sesuatu taburan tu jadi taburan binomial? Do you guys remember what are the conditions for binomial distribution? There are few conditions. Like just now, randomly is one condition. So apa lagi syarat yang kamu tahu tentang binomial? Anyone know? This one memorize only. Ingat saja. So apa lagi syarat yang kamu tahu tentang taburan binomial? Can you all like type out? What are the condition for binomial distribution? Sebab soalan boleh tanya juga. Walaupun soalan fakta, they can come out in paper 1, kertas 1. So anyone? Do you know your condition for binomial distribution? Can you remember anything? Very good. Yes. There is 2 outcome only. 2 kesudahan sahaja. Okay, what else? What else do you remember? Trial number is fixed. Very good. Okay, bilangan percubaan kena tetap. Very good. Some more? I think there are a few more. Once you guys get the answer, make sure share guys. Soalan B. Kamu kena buat soalan B. So after you get the answer, type jawapan. Okay, very good. Congratulations. Accurate. Okay, the answer is 0.5941 guys. Okay, so macam mana buat? Okay, so you must do one by one lah guys. Tak ada cara lain. Okay, because the total is 8. Am I right? Okay, jumlah adalah 8. So you must do 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay guys, adakah kita boleh guna kaedah satu tolak kat sini? Can we use the concept of 1 minus? Yes or no? Yes, can. Okay, so why do you think they never show that step? Kenapa mereka tak tunjuk yang tu? Because the number of times you have to do is exactly the same. Okay, yang ni pun kamu kena buat 4 kali. Am I right guys? Okay, you must do 4 times. Okay, because you have to minus until number 3. So no difference lah guys. Antara dua-dua kaedah ni pun sama panjang. Okay, it's still the same length. Okay, because you have to do 4 formula. 4 rumus. Total marks. Total marks, let me think and see. I think will be less than 5. Akan lebih kurang dari 5. Pasti. Maybe 4 mark for soalan 6. Okay. The most important part they check here is what you know guys. This one. How you substitute in the formula. Macam mana kamu gantikan setiap nilai dalam rumus. So if you substitute wrongly, you will minus mark already. Okay, kamu takkan dapat markah jalan kira. Alright? And of course, your final answer akan salah lah kalau kamu gantikan dengan salah. Okay, if you substitute wrong, confirm your final answer also wrong. Okay? So make sure you careful on the substitution part. Okay? So are you clear guys? 1 or 2? 1 atau 2 untuk soalan 6 ni? Okay ya? Alright, so we continue. Okay, soalan nombor 7 guys. Question number 7. Okay, wait. Okay, so this question, can anyone tell me? Binomial or normal? Yang ni. Tabuhan binomial ataupun normal? Very good. Okay, so what tell you guys? It is binomial. Apa kata kunci yang bagi tahu yang ni binomial? Very good. Okay, random guys. Can you see? Okay, dipilih secara lawak. Senang saja. Okay, so start again lah guys. N value. May I know? What is your N value? Apa nilai N? Yes, 9. What is your P value? Apa nilai P? P value is not straightforward. Okay, very good. Yes, 0.6. Okay, so you just take 18 over 30. Okay, so your answer is 0.6. Okay, Q value, nilai Q. Yes, very good. 0.4. Very simple. Okay, so first step, they ask you to find exactly 4 students have reading. Okay, so this one I don't want to ask you all lah. Same concept only. Okay, so kamu just tekan calculator saja. Okay, just press calculator, get the answer. Okay, so for question B, they ask you sekurang-kurangnya 7 orang membaca buku. Okay, at least 7 students have reading. So guys, at least what is the inequality symbol? Sekurang-kurangnya, macam mana simbol dia? Careful lah. Yes, remember guys, sekurang-kurangnya kena ada simbol sama dengan. You must have the symbol of equals. Okay? Yes, very good. Okay, because in binomial, it will make a difference. Am I right? Simbol ni akan bawa banyak beza dalam tabuhan binomial. Okay, tapi normal guys, if I ask you normal distribution, adakah dua-dua simbol ni ada makna? Is there any meaning to these two symbol? Yes. Okay, it's the same thing only. Okay, dia adalah benda sama saja dalam normal. Tapi binomial berbeza. Okay, so that is the concept you must understand. Okay, so now, total kamu ada 9. Okay guys, so saya tanya kamu lah secara logik. Untuk soalan B ni, kamu akan guna kaedah satu tolak ke tak? Will you use the concept of 1 minus? Yes or no? Think and see guys. Yes, no need. Okay, because you can just find Px equals 7 plus Px equal 8 plus Px equal 9. Okay, buat macam ni saja. Why do you all want to use 1 minus? Okay, it's much longer. Okay, lebih susah. So always go for the simpler method. Buat yang sangat senang. Okay, so then you will get the answer di tekan calculator saja. Okay, so basically binomial, right? It is very straightforward. Sangat-sangat mudah. Okay, kamu analisis dengan betul, you should get the answer correct already. Okay, alright. Alright, so now we come to the mean and standard deviation, guys. Bahagian mean dan sisian piawai. So guys, question 8, they ask you to find that. So may I know, what is your mean first? Apa nilai mean untuk soalan 8? So you must remember the formula. Kena tahu rumus dia dulu. Very simple only. So anyone? Answer? What is your mean? Yang ni pun masuk bawah binomial. Okay, this one also is still under the binomial distribution. Okay. So anyone? Come on. What is your mean, guys? Tengah lupa, tengah ingat balik tak rumus bagi mean? What is your mean formula? Anyone? Binomial. What is your mean formula? Yes, NP. Okay, so you just take 35 times 1 over 5. Okay, so your answer is 7. That's all. Jawapan bagi mean adalah 7. Okay, sisian piawai guys. What is your standard deviation over here for this question? Yes, correct. Guys, standard deviation, you know, sisian piawai. NPQ is variance. Am I right? Variance sama dengan NPQ. So standard deviation, yes. Remember, must square root. Okay, kena punca kuasa 2. So anyone, what is your final answer? Standard deviation. This one just press calculator only. Tekan calculator. Yes. Okay, very good. Okay, guys. So your standard deviation, you should get this answer. Okay, kamu akan dapat jawapan ni untuk sisian piawai. Okay, are you clear, guys? 1 atau 2? Tak ada apa-apa kan kat sini. Okay, sangat straightforward. Okay, hafal rumus saja. Just remember your formula. Okay, so now question number 9. Okay, so question number 9. Okay, not so straightforward. Tak sangat mudah. Okay, so for this question, you must find something first, guys. Kamu kena cari sesuatu dulu, guys. So can anyone tell me, if you see question number 9, what information you don't have here? Apa informasi ataupun nilai yang kamu tak ada kat sini? Anyone? This question not straightforward. So what you must find first? Kamu kena cari nilai apa dulu? This one also is still binomial. Yes, very good, guys. Okay, do you see you don't have your P and Q value? Okay, kamu tak ada dua-dua nilai ni, guys. You don't have. So you must find. So how to find, guys? Macam mana cari nilai P dan Q? You already have the information mean is 7, variance is 2.8. Okay, lihat yang ni guys. So what concept are we using here guys to find P and Q? Kita guna konsep apa? Kalau nak cari dua pemboleh ubah yang tidak diketahui, you want to find two unknowns. So always in AdMaths, two unknown mean what concept? Simultaneous equation lah, correct? Okay, so guys, don't think that Form 5 Chapter 5 don't have simultaneous equation. Jangan fikir bab ni takkan ada persamaan serentak. Okay, every chapter pun akan ada konsep persamaan serentak. Kamu kena ingat yang tu. So you must be very good in simultaneous equation. Sebab semua bab dalam AdMaths dia boleh bawa masuk yang ni. Okay, every single chapter one. As long you have two unknown, they can have simultaneous. Okay, alright. So you just need to use the formula. Okay, so you have mean equals 7, variance equal to 2.8. Okay, so you just substitute lah. 7 equal to NP dan 2.8 sama dengan NPQ. Okay, then kamu kena eliminate lah. Okay, try to use the elimination method or substitution method also can. Kaedah penggantian. Okay, so from here you just express Q in term of N and P. Okay, kamu ungkapkan Q dalam sebutan N dan P, then kamu boleh hapuskan NP. Okay, you can try to eliminate NP. Okay, so that you can find the Q value. Boleh cari nilai Q. Alright, so you will get Q equal to 2 over 5. So that means P equal to 3 over 5. Betul? Okay, so you will get P equal to 3 over 5. So now, they say a randomly selected teacher own a local car. Okay, guru yang dipilih secara barak memiliki kereta buatan. So maksudnya apa kat sini guys? What is the meaning of this? Untuk soalan A. Mereka tanya nilai apa sebenarnya for question A. Think and see. Adakah saya perlu buat PX sama dengan 1? Yes or no? What do you all think? Should I do like this? Yes. Correct, Samantha. Guys, you don't need to do like this. Okay, tak perlu buat macam ni. Okay, because they say one teacher only. Seorang guru sahaja. So guys, what does your P value represent? Apa nilai P mewakili? Probability of selecting a teacher that own a local car. Am I right? This is the question over here. Can you see? Teacher who own local car. Okay. So your P value actually represent for one. Always. Kamu kena ingat nilai P itu mewakili untuk satu orang sahaja. Only one. Okay, that's why jawapan A adalah hanya nilai P kamu lah. Okay, your A is just your P value answer. Okay, do you understand? Simple, right? Sangat mudah kan? Okay, now you see question B, guys. They ask you two teacher are selected randomly. Dua guru dipilih secara lawak. So what is the probability here, guys? May I know? This question tricky, guys. Soalan B, susah sikit. So what is your answer for B? Okay, some more people. Lagi orang. What do you say? They say they want to select two teacher randomly. Okay, guys, over here, the structure of the sentence is very important. You must remember that. Okay, struktur ayat tu sangat penting. So anyone else? What will you say? What must I find here in question B? Think carefully and see. You try to compare question B, right? Cuba bandingkan soalan B dengan semua soalan tadi. You compare with how they ask the question. You compare every single thing. You can see there is a difference. Okay, kamu boleh nampak ada perbezaan sebenarnya. Can you all see the difference, guys? You see carefully. Every single question. Okay, so when you check and see, question number 9, right? Soalan 9 dia ada trick. Okay, so what is the trick? The trick is basically in this one, guys. This one. Can you all see it, guys? Boleh nampak yang ni? Soalan-soalan tadi tak ada yang ni kan? Okay, the just now question, they never say randomly selected. Am I right? Do you all notice that in the question? Yes or no, guys? Can you all comment? Do you see the difference? So means, can we use the method of Px equal to 2? Do you think we can use this? Yes or no? Okay, so what is the other method we must use? If we cannot use this one, think and see. Apa lagi kaedah boleh guna? If you want to choose two teachers randomly. Or if anyone got final answer, you can tell for question B. Actually, it's very short only the working. Sangat pendek saja. Don't overthink. It's actually very straightforward. So anyone? Do you all know how to solve question B? Yes or no? Adakah kamu tahu selesaikan soalan B? If don't know, you just say don't know only in the chat box. Kalau tak tahu, kamu cakap tak tahu. Okay, very simple guys. I explain to you. Okay. Actually, question B is actually coming back to your modern maths. Modern maths probability. You all learn, right? In modern maths. Kamu boleh guna konsep tu guys. Okay, so you think and see. In binomial, the probability value, right? Nilai P. This is one of the condition. Nilai P tu akan berubah atau sentiasa kekal? May I know? Syarat tabaran binomial. Will your P value always change or you'll maintain constant throughout the experiment? Yes, this is one of the characteristic guys. So your P value must maintain. So this is the keyword, maintain, kekal. So guys, now you think and see. For question B, they say 2 teachers, dua guru. So means what should I do to the P value? I must just take P times P. Am I right? Nilai P kali dengan nilai P lah. So I get P square. So what is my P value guys? P value adalah jawapan kat A. Am I right? And your answer in A is 3 over 5. So you just need to do 3 over 5 square. Faham tak guys? Do you all understand? That's all. That is your answer. 9 over 25. Are you all clear? Boleh dapat? 1 atau 2. Sebab kamu kena faham kebarangkalian dia kekal. Tak kira jumlah mana guru yang kamu pilih. Okay, no matter how many teacher you choose, even 100 teacher lah. Okay, if you say 100 teacher chosen randomly, you do 3 over 5 power 100. That's all. Settle. Okay? So you must understand this fact. Okay, so whenever you see the word randomly in the question, this is a keyword that you cannot use the binomial formula. Tak boleh guna rumus binomial. Okay? Because when you compare with other question, you can see it. Okay, can you see over here guys? In just now question, do you see the word randomly in the question guys? Adakah kamu nampak perkataan bawah dalam soalan dia? Tak ada kan? Don't have, right? You compare sama. Don't have. Soalan 6 tak ada perkataan bawah. Dalam soalan saya maksudkan. Over here. Don't have. Question number 5 don't have. Question number 4 also don't have. Okay? So this is the concept. Can you all understand? Boleh faham Okay, so now we actually finish binomial already lah. Kita dah habis taburan binomial. Okay, so now we will go to the normal part. Okay, so get ready your table guys. Okay, kamu kena sedia dengan jadual kamu kat sini. Jadual taburan normal. Okay? Alright. So we talk on few question lah. I will choose a few question. Anything that looks similar, saya takkan bincang lah. Okay, saya pilih yang berbeza sahaja. Alright. So the first 4 question is testing you on how to find probability. Cara mengira kebarangkalian. The next 4 question is testing you on how to find Z-score. So first 4 question. Okay, you all tell me lah. Among the first 4 question, you all want me to discuss which question guys? Kamu nak saya bincang soalan apa? Antara A, B, C, D. Anyone? You type out the letter you want. Among A, B, C, D. D, Okay, so we discuss. Okay, C and D. Okay, we discuss soalan C and D. Okay, so for question C, okay, so first of all, you must understand this one. Okay, guys, may I know 48 represent what in our normal parameter? 48 tu mewakili apa? What quantity? Yes. Wait, let me think. Yes. Okay, it's the mean, correct. Okay? Yes. 144 mewakili apa? Very good. Okay, represent the variance. So guys, if variance is 144, standard deviation how much guys? Sisian piawai kat sini berapa? Yes, square root 144 lah. So it's 12. Okay? So you just need to start to apply the formula. So guys, this is the formula to convert X score to Z score. Ini adalah rumus. Okay? So first step, you must apply the formula. Okay, so you just take 49.5 minus 48 over 12. Okay, so you just press calculator. You should get, wait now, let me see. Okay, you should get 1.5 over 12. Okay, 1.5/12. Or you will get 0.125. Okay, so for question C, it is something like this now. Okay, kamu akan dapat nilai ni sekarang. Okay, so now guys, may I know, can I direct refer the normal table for this value? Adakah saya boleh terus lihat jadual saya untuk kira kebangkalan? Okay, so what must I change over here guys? Cannot tak boleh ada sesuatu kesilapan kat sini. Very good guys. Okay guys, always remember when you use your normal table, simbol ketaksamaan selalu kena macam ni atau macam ni. Kena faham yang tu. Your inequality sign must be like this. Then only kamu boleh refer tabuhan normal kamu punya jadual. Okay? Okay, so mengapa dia macam tu? Okay, so konsep dia ada. There is a concept actually. Okay, so this time I sediakan dah jadual normal or else sangat susah. Okay, untuk tanya kamu semua. Okay, so you can refer to your normal table. Okay, it is something like this. Okay, so why I say the sign must be pointing to the right? Kenapa simbol tu kena ke sebelah kanan? Okay guys, you can see your shaded region over here. Cuba nampak kawasan berlorek kamu guys. Dia ke kanan kan? It is to the right. Am I right? That's why simbol kamu kena macam ni. Do you all understand guys? Boleh faham? Lihat yang ni. Mereka dah tulis kat sini. X lebih besar. X is greater than. So that's why you must follow this one. Kena ikuti yang ni. Okay? Boleh kan? So sekarang kamu bacalah. Okay, so 1.5/12. Sorry. You must change the sign first. Kamu kena tukar simbol. Okay, so how to change the symbol? Okay, so kamu lihatlah. Wait let me go back. Okay, this one. Okay, so how do we change the sign? Okay, so there are a few methods. Ada beberapa kaedah. Okay, so first step, you can use the concept of 1 minus. Am I right? Okay, so you can just use 1 minus and then your sign will change. Always remember guys, bila guna kaedah satu tolak, simbol ketaksamaan tu dia akan ubah arah. It will change the sign. Okay, originally it's like this. Then after you use 1 minus, it become like this. Can you see guys? Boleh nampak kan? So now you can read the table. Sekarang kamu boleh baca jadual kamu. Okay, so you find the table lah. 0.125. Okay, so you guys know how to use the table lah. Kamu semua tahu kan cara nak guna jadual. Okay, so 0.12. Okay, is this value. And then 5. 5 kamu kena lihat kat sini. So 5, it will be 20. Okay guys, so may I know 0.4522 plus 20 or minus 20? Tambah atau tolak 20 bila kamu guna jadual ni? Is it plus or minus? Yes. Okay, follow the instruction here guys. Kena tolak. Okay, so that's why your answer is 0.4502. Correct. Okay, so you will just take 1 minus 0.4502. Okay, so that's why you will get the answer then. Okay, this will be the answer. Kamu akan dapat jawapan. Okay, 0.5497. This one you get from 0.1 minus 0.4502. Okay, boleh faham guys? Do you understand? This one you get from like this. Power 522 minus 0.0020. Okay, 1 or 2 guys? 1 atau 2 for question C? Boleh kan? Okay, understand right guys? Boleh faham? Yes or no? Bentuk graph for that question macam mana? Bentuk graph, you just draw a normal graph lah. Okay, normal graph is like this. Okay, is a bell-shaped curve. Tabuhan lonceng. Okay, so you will have something like this. Okay, then you just fill in with the value. This one is your z-score. This one is your probability. Okay, x lah. Okay, understand? So your graph will look something like this. Okay, no need to be so accurate because this one is just a sketch. Hanya lakaran sahaja. Okay, alright. So we go to question D guys. Soalan ke D. Okay, so question D is more complex because they have 2 symbol. Okay, ada 2 simbol kat sini. Okay, so how do we solve question D? Okay, so always the first step is convert x score to z score. Okay, so again 47 minus mean over standard deviation. Okay, less than Z, less than 50 minus 48 over standard deviation. Okay, so you count the value, cari nilai. Okay, so you will get negative 0.083 less than Z, less than 2 over 12, 0.167. Okay, boleh guys? Do you understand until this step? Boleh faham kan? Okay, just tekan calculator saja. Okay, now it's time for you to refer the table. Kena tengok jadual. Okay, so guys, how do we further simplify this? Macam mana nak memudahkan yang ni? Okay, so you will use the concept of 1 minus. Am I right? Whenever you see this format, right guys, bila nampak format macam ni, selalu kena guna satu tolak. Okay, so you use 1 minus PZ greater than 0.167. Sebab julat sekarang dia lebih kecil. So, kamu kena tukar simbol lah. You must switch the sign. Okay, sebab kita nak tolak kawasan yang tak ada dalam julat ni. We want to minus every single region that is not in this range. Okay, alright. Then you must minus some more. You have to minus this one, this part. Okay, so probability Z less than negative 0.083. Okay, can right guys? Yes or no? Cuba komen sikit. 1 or 2. Understand? Okay, 1 Okay, so now guys, may I ask, is there anything wrong with this one? Ada apa-apa salah tentang ungkapan yang ni? Yang tak membolehkan saya guna jadual? That cannot allow me to use the table? Nothing, right? Okay, there is nothing wrong. Okay, how about this one? Is there anything wrong here? Ada apa-apa salah kat sini? Yes. Okay guys, you must remember, score Z must always be positive. Okay, nilai score Z kena selalu positif. Okay, so how to change? You just switch the sign guys. Tukar simbol saja. So when you switch the sign, negative will become positive. Okay, kamu kena ingat yang tu. You must understand this point. Okay, negative will always change to become a positive answer. Okay, are you all clear? Boleh dapat kan? Senang kan? Okay, so now you refer the table. Okay, so 0.167, kamu boleh baca jadual lah. Okay, so you all try and see. Cuba bagi tahu saya nilai dia. 0.167. May I know what's the answer? Probability. You all try and see. If not, you all will get sangat bosan tadi, for sure. So anyone? Probability value? What is your answer? 0.167 now. Okay, let's see. Okay, 0. minus 7. Okay, correct. Okay, your answer should get like Ryan Raj, 0.4336 guys. Okay, so 0.16. Okay, so it's this value 7 minus 28. Okay, so 0.4361364 minus 0.0028. Okay, always remember guys, score Z must have 3 decimal places. Okay, kena ada 3 tempat perpuluhan untuk score Z. Okay, then only you can read the table. Kamu boleh baca jadual. Okay, these values over here is for your third decimal place. Okay, tempat perpuluhan yang ketiga. Okay, so in this case, it's number 7 lah. Okay, do you guys understand? Boleh dapat kan guys? All of you. 1 or 2? 1 atau 2? 1 Okay, next one. Okay, so the other value was 1 over 6. Am I right? Okay, so 0.167. Sorry. Just now we did 0.167. Am I right? 0.083. Can anyone tell me what is the value of your probability? Apa nilai kebarangkalian? The rest also try to answer. Yang lain pun cuba jawab. Apa nilai kebarangkalian kamu? 0.083. Okay, let's check and see. Minus. Okay. Yes, correct. Okay, so 0.083. Okay, so that means 0.4681 minus 0.0012. Okay, so kamu akan dapat 0.4669. Okay, boleh guys? Can right? Okay, so then just gantikanlah dalam formula. Just substitute in your formula and then count the final answer. Okay? Boleh kan? Okay, so this is your answer for question D. Okay, so final answer is 0.0995. Okay? Can I continue, guys? One or two? Boleh tak saya sambung? Come on. I need more energy from y'all. Saya perlukan lebih banyak semangat. Yes. This is the spirit. Okay, don't sangat senyap. Okay, sangat boring kalau tak ada suara dari kamu. Okay, so next one. Okay, so question E to H. May I know what question you all want me to discuss? Soalan E sampai H. Sekarang kamu kena cari skor Z pula. You must find your Z score from probability. Okay, H. Okay, so for question H, this one. Okay, so it's the same type of format. Okay, so you apply the same concept. Okay, so how to imagine? Okay, you can draw the normal graph. Okay, so this one is negative K. This one is 48. Okay, so means that kawasan berlorek dia kat sini. Am I right? Okay, so means that you must minus the region on the right. Kamu kena tolak yang sebelah kanan and also tolak yang sebelah kiri. Okay, so what is your total probability, guys? Jumlah kebarangkalian kamu berapa? Tabuhan normal? Yes, always 1. Okay, that's why 1 minus Px greater than 48. Wait, 48 minus Px less than negative K. Okay, ini adalah ungkapan kamu, guys. Sama dengan 0.2578. Okay, this is your expression now. Okay, so again, same step. Convert your X score to Z score. Okay, so your langkah will look like this. Okay, this is your step. So you just convert the X score to Z score. Okay, same concept. Okay, and then wait for a while. Okay, so from here you can start to refer the table already. Okay, boleh lihat jadual dah. Okay, so you must find the Z score for 48. Okay, so 48 minus 48, the answer is 0. Am I right? So guys, you think logic lah. When your Z score is 0, what is your probability? May I know? Bila skor Z sama dengan kosong, apa nilai kebarangkalian kamu, guys? May I know? Very common value. You must memorize. No. Think logic, guys. PK logic. Z score 0. What is your probability? No need to refer table. Tak perlu ujar jadual. Very common sense one. So you just need to draw your normal graph. Okay, lukis saja graph tabuhan normal. You will understand one. So guys, let's say this is Z. This is PZ equal to Z. Am I right? So guys, this value is what? Nilai kat sini berapa? Keasalan. On the origin, what is your value? Yes, maksudnya skor Z sama dengan kosong. Am I right? So what is the probability? Yes, 0.5. Sebab dia membagikan graph kat titik tengah. He divide the graph at the midpoint. This is your midpoint, guys. You can think of it like axis of symmetry. Persamaan paksi simetri. Okay, so means that kebarangkalian ni 0.5. This one also 0.5. So no matter kamu lebih kecil dari kosong atau lebih besar dari kosong, nilai dia tetap 0.5. Do you understand me? Okay? So no matter where your sign point is still the same. So now you just need to think for this one. Okay, so guys, are there any problem or not in this thing I circle? X less than negative K. Ada apa-apa masalah tak? Yes. Okay, the negative K problem. So how to change? Switch the sign. Tukar simbol sahaja, guys. Okay, when you switch the sign, negative become positive. Ingat. Okay, so now everything correct already. Semua betul. Okay, so you just need to shift everything to the right hand side. Okay, so you have 1 minus, let me write out, 1 minus 0.5 minus Px greater than K equal to 0.2578. Okay, so this is your equation now. Okay, so now you must solve for K. Cari nilai K. Alright, so you just bring everything to the right hand side. Okay, press calculator. 0.5 minus 0.2578. Okay, 0.2422. Okay, it is time to refer the table. Kena lihat jadual sekarang. 0.2422. So you see how I solve. Okay, so 0.2422. Okay, ada tak guys nilai ni? 0.2422. Okay, so let us see. Okay, so we don't have the value. Tak ada nilai. Am I right? So kamu akan pilih nilai apa, guys? May I know? If I don't have 0.2422, what value should I choose? Saya kena pilih mana? Can you all comment? Yes, always choose the higher one, guys. Remember, pilih nilai yang lebih tinggi daripada apa yang kamu kena cari. Always choose the value higher than the answer that you get from the working. Okay, means the value you choose is 0.2451. So now you read the score Z. Okay, but then you must take note how many you must minus, guys. May I know? What is the value you minus? From 0.2451 to get 0.2422. So berapa kamu tolak kat sini? 51 become 22. So means that yes, minus 29 lah. Okay. So now you check and see. Do we have 29 or not? Yes, we have 29 over here. So we can read the score Z already. Okay, so you just read left and up. Okay, so the value is 0.699. Simple or not, guys? Sangat senang. Am I right? You get the answer already. Okay, are you all clear, guys? So your answer is 0.699. Boleh? All right. Okay, so now, but of course, that's not the final answer lah. You must still find the K. Am I right? Kamu kena cari nilai K. Okay, so now, this value, the K you can convert to Z score. So K minus 48 over standard deviation, this value is 0.699 based on the table. So you just solve for K lah. Okay, tekan calculator saja. You should get the answer will be negative 39.61. Okay, jawapan dia sepatutnya dapat yang ni. Okay, are you all clear, guys? Boleh? So the working is something like this. Okay, this one over here. Okay, any problems, guys? Ada apa-apa masalah setakat ni? If don't have, we continue. Question number 11. Soalan ke-11. Okay, next one. Okay, so now we come to the daily life application or normal distribution. Okay, soalan aplikasi harian. Okay, so now for this question, they tell you got 500 candidate, mean is 115, standard deviation 10. Okay, kamu highlight lah semua kata kunci ni. Okay, so now first step, they say estimate the number of candidates. Kamu kena anggarkan bilangan calon. Okay, not less than 96. So guys, what is the inequality symbol for this? Apa simbol ketaksamaan dia, guys? Tidak kurang, not less. Tricky ya, yang ni tricky. Yes, K is greater than or equal to, because they say not less, tidak kurang. Means that it must be bigger, kena lebih besar. Okay, so again, apply the same step. Okay, so X greater than or equal to 96, convert it to your Z score. Okay, always score X must convert to score Z. That is our basic step. Kena buat conversion ni, penukaran. Okay, so you just take 96 minus 115 over 10. Okay, so you will get something like this down here. Okay, so you will get this one. So guys, when you see this symbol over here, is there anything wrong? Very good. So guys, apa yang salah kat sini? Negative score Z, guys. Okay, so how to make score Z positive? We use 1 minus. Am I right? Okay, so first step, you can do something like this. Okay, so you first change the sign, tukar symbol, so that your score Z become positive. Okay, but is this one correct, guys? Can I refer the table using this expression? Boleh tak saya rujuk jadual dari sini? Tak boleh. Always remember your inequality sign must point to the right. Then only can refer normal table. Okay, so how to make it point to the right? We use 1 minus concept. Always remember 1 minus, you can switch the sign, tukar symbol. Okay, so you will get like this. So now you read the table, baca jadual for 1.9. Okay, so very simple. You just need to get your normal table and then see where is 1.9. Okay, so 1.9 is this one, 0.0287. Okay, so means that is 1 minus 0.0287. Okay, so you will get this one. Hey, wait, wrong page. Okay, so you will get like this. Okay, when you take 1 minus 0.0287, your answer will get this one, 0.9713. Okay, but is this our final answer, guys? Adakah ini jawapan akhir? Bukan, right? Because they ask you to estimate the number, guys. Bilangan calon. So how to find the number, guys? May I know? What should I do? They ask to estimate the number of candidates that do not qualify. Tidak layak. So maksudnya, how do I find the number? My probability now is 0.9713. So anyone? How to get the number? Macam mana dapat nombor? Come on. Let me think and see. Okay, Ken. Okay, you can use 1 minus this one. Yes, no problem. Okay. No need. Guys, they never ask you mean. Mereka tak tanya mean kat sini untuk soalan A. So tak perlu NP. Okay. Oh, saya maksudkan dah sekarang. Saya faham sekarang. Kamu ambil N yang ni kali dengan P. Betul kan? Kamu maksudkan yang ni. Am I right? Okay, boleh. Can. Okay, so guys, basically the concept is just a normal probability. Kebarangkalian biasa saja. Okay, so this probability you find over here is the probability you qualify. Am I right? Kebarangkalian ni adalah kebarangkalian layak. Sebab dia kata college tu memerlukan IQ tidak kurang daripada 96. Okay, require an IQ not less than 96. So this is the entry qualification, syarat kelayakan. Okay, so kalau tak layak, if never qualify, means that 1 minus. Am I right? Kamu kena guna konsep satu tolak. Okay, so when you take 1 minus, you should get answer is 0.0287. Okay, so guys, how do I find the number now? Macam mana saya boleh cari bilangan orang tak layak? I times the total. Saya kali dengan, yes, jumlah saja. Okay, so guys, when you times by 500, you will get this answer. Kamu akan dapat jawapan ni. So is this my final answer, guys? Adakah ini jawapan akhir saya untuk A? Okay, so what is the final answer? Oh, no, bukan 14, guys. You must round off to 15. Kamu kena bundakan. Guys, when you have 0.35, bila kamu ada orang macam ni, 35% daripada satu orang, kamu kena consider dia sebagai satu orang. You have to consider it as a human. Yes, that's why it cannot be 14. You must consider it to become 15. Do you understand or not? You don't just see the value, guys. Jangan nampak sebab nilai 3 kat sini, kamu ambil 14. Bukan macam tu. Okay, you must always round up one higher. Bundakan satu nombor lebih tinggi. Okay, because 35% we actually consider it as one human being lah. Okay, kita bagi dia lah satu extra human being. Okay, can guys? Do you understand? Can, right? Question A, 1 or 2? Satu atau dua? Okay, alright, so question B, soalan B. Okay, so they say 300 candidates. Yes, also 15, correct? Because whenever you have point something, we can consider it as one extra person. Okay, so the working over here, you actually will get 15. Okay, can you see? This is the working, guys. Ini jalan kira dia. Okay, because over here, if you use this step lah, kalau kamu guna langkah macam ni, this value is 485.65. Okay, so they round off to 485 lah. Okay, mereka bundakan satu bawah kat sini, over here. Okay, actually I feel that even if you do like 14.20, you write 14, right? I think saya rasa masih boleh lah. Mereka takkan sangat strict sampai macam tu. Sebab jawapan hanya beza satu kan? Am I right? Your answer will either be 16 or 15. Betul kan? So I think your answer still will accept one. Because your concept all correct already. All your working semua betul. So yeah, you will still get the mark 1. Okay, so no need to worry too much on that. Jangan risau sangat tentang yang tu. Okay? Can guys? So you will get 15 orang. Okay? Alright. So question B, guys. They say 300 candidates qualify to to enter the college. So they ask you to find the minimum, guys. Cari nilai IQ minimum. So minimum, apa simbol ketaksamaan dia, guys? What is the inequality sign? Yes. Okay. Minimum is this one. Okay, lebih besar atau sama dengan. Okay, so they say minimum IQ. Okay, so you can give symbol lah. Bagi simbol minimum IQ to M. Okay, so kamu kena cari kebarangkalian yang ni. Okay, and this one is equal to how much, guys? What is the probability for this one? So now you must think and see apa kebarangkalian dia over here. They say 300 candidates qualified. So anyone? Yes, you just take 300 over the total. Okay, 300 bagi jumlah. So your answer will get 0.6. Okay. So now you just need to find for the M value, cari nilai M. Okay. So may I know if the probability is greater than 0.5? Can I refer the table, guys? Boleh tak saya wujud jadual? Kalau kebarangkalian lebih besar dari 0.5? Yes. So means that you must use the concept of 1 minus untuk bagi dia lebih kecil dari 0.5. Okay, so your answer, sorry, your working, you can write like this. Okay, so Px less than M equal to 0.4. Okay, now you switch the sign, kena tukar simbol, negative M equal to 0.4. Okay, now you read the table. Okay, baca jadual. Okay, of course, you must standardize your M. Am I right? Okay, so you just take negative M minus 115 over standard deviation. Okay. Wait. Okay. Over 10. So then equal to, okay, so you convert this value, read from the table to the Z score. Okay, tukar ke score Z. Okay, so let me see. 0.4. Okay, so 0.4. We don't have the exact value. Okay, kita tak ada nilai sebenar. So guys, may I know which value is the closest now? Apa nilai paling dekat to 0.4000? Which value we should take over here in the table? Anyone? Yes, you take the higher one. Okay, ambil yang lebih besar. So it's this one. Okay, so 0.4013, I must minus 13. Am I right? Saya kena tolak 13 untuk dapat yang ni. But over here, you don't see number 13. Okay, kamu tak boleh nampak nombor 13 kat sini. So means that we take 12. You take the one that can give you a higher value than this. Okay, ambil nilai yang akan bagi jawapan lebih besar. Okay, let's say guys, you take 15. Can or not? Kalau saya terambil 15. Okay, actually still can. Jawapan dia sebenarnya untuk yang ni akan ada dua set. Okay, there will be two set of answer one. So don't worry. You take 12 or 15 also can. Both also akan diterima. Because only the third decimal place will be a different value. Am I right? Tempat perpuluhan ketiga saja berbeza. Okay, so your answer is 0.253. This one 0.253 can. Or if you write 0.254 also can. It won't affect the answer much. Because the difference is just plus minus 0.001. It's a very small value. Nilai yang sangat-sangat kecil dah. Okay? So, you can choose either one. Okay? Pilih satu saja. Okay? So, you just substitute inside your answer. Okay? So, over here, they choose 0.253. Okay? So, where the negative come from, guys? Kat mana datang negative tu? Kat sini, guys. Do you all see just now I add the negative over here? So they shift it to the right hand side already. Mereka dah pindah ke sebelah kanan. So that you get negative 0.253. Okay? Then you just solve algebra. Find the M. Cari nilai M. Okay? Are you clear, guys? Soalan 11. Boleh dapat? 1 or 2? 1 atau 2? Boleh kan? Question number 11. Okay, so we come to question number 12. Soalan ke-12. Second last already, guys. Soalan kedua terakhir untuk hari ini. Okay, so for question 12, they say that normal distribution, okay, and then mean variance. Okay, mean variance. Okay, so first question, mereka nak cari bilangan pekerja dalam syarikat. Okay, the number of workers in the factory. Okay, so how to find? Use this information. Okay, between 56 and 72. Di antara dua-dua nilai ni. So maksudnya, this is your symbol. Okay, so you must find the probability first. Kamu kena cari kebarangkalian ni. Alright, so again the same step. Convert your X score to Z score. Okay, tukar score X ke score Z based on all the information you have. Okay, so your step will look something like this. Okay, so you just convert, standardize. Okay, so you will get, so from here, refer the table. Okay, wujud jadual. Okay, so the step is 1 minus PZ greater than 7 over 7.5. And then you minus PZ less than negative 9 over 7.5. Okay, do you guys understand this step? Boleh faham kan langkah yang ni? Okay, you just minus the region on the right, minus the region on the left. Okay, so guys, which one has the problem here? Kat mana ada silap? Kat sini. This one, right? You can see over here. Negative score Z, guys. Okay, so you just need to switch the sign. Okay, when you switch the sign, it will become PZ greater than. Okay, so you just need to switch the sign. Tukar simbol saja. Okay, so you will get something like this. Okay, so then you just refer table. Wujud jadual saja for all these values. This value and also this value. Okay, so then when you solve, kamu akan dapat jawapan yang ni. Okay, you will get this one as your final answer. Okay, wait it gone somewhere already. Okay, this one 0.7096. Okay, one or two guys, satu atau dua untuk yang ni. I don't want to show how to read the table already lah guys. Saya tak mau tunjuk dah kaedah guna jadual. Kamu semua dah faham kan? Saya dah tunjuk beberapa contoh dah cara nak guna jadual. Okay, alright, but now the question is find the number of workers guys in the factory. So that one is not your final answer yet. Itu bukan jawapan akhir. So how to find the total number of workers guys? May I know? Your probability now is 0.7096 for question A. So how to find the number of worker? Macam mana cari bilangan pekerja? Anyone? How to find? Come on. Macam mana nak cari guys? What is the step? Kamu semua kata satu kan? You all say number one, right? So means you understand, right? Are you sure? Guys, you must take note. This one here is the number of worker within this range only. Okay? Yang diberi tu dalam jumlah tu saja. Sekarang dia tanya jumlah pekerja. Total number of worker, guys. So do you think it's times? Think and see carefully. Okay, so the concept is something like this, guys. You must use the concept of probability. Okay, so the concept goes like this. Okay, so probability 56 until 72 is equal to what? Kebarangkalian ni sama dengan apa? Dia sama dengan jumlah pekerja. Am I right? The number of worker between this range. Okay, jumlah pekerja dalam jumlah ni divide total. Am I right? This is how you find probability, right guys? Kamu guna kaedah ni untuk cari kebarangkalian. So now, the question want you to find this, guys. Soalan suruh cari yang ni. This one. So how to find this one, guys? Kamu kena buat operasi bahagi. Am I right, guys? Because n total equal to n 56 less than x less than 72. Yang ni lah, bahagi yang ni. Okay, divide by this one. Are you all clear? Boleh dapat tak guys? So it's not times, it's divide. Okay, so that's why the answer is like this. Do you all understand? One or two? Satu atau dua guys, come on. Your number please. Everyone here? One, Okay. Make sure jangan buat silap. Don't times always. Jangan ingat selalu dia tanya nombor kena darab. Bukan macam tu. Kamu kena lihat nombor tentang apa? Jumlah ataupun jumlah yang spesifik punya nombor. Okay? Kena peka tentang yang tu. Alright? Okay, so for question B. So same concept lah. Okay? So minimum maksudnya simbol ni lah. Okay, then equal to 5%. 5% mean 5 over 100. 5%. Okay, so you have the inequality like this. Okay, standardize. So sekarang kamu boleh wujud jadual. Am I right? Because semua yang ni tentang simbol ketaksaman adalah betul. Okay, everything is correct over here. So you just refer table lah. Okay, so 0.05 akan bagi nilai yang ni, 1.645. Okay, then you just solve for your M value. Selesaikan saja untuk nilai M. Are you clear guys? This question? Boleh right? Okay, so we go last question. Soalan terakhir untuk hari ni, number 13. Okay, so for this question, they ask you to find the probability that the orange is grade A. Okay, cari kebarangkalian orange tu adalah grade A. So grade A means that kamu kena buat yang ni. Am I right? Okay, so okay, so first step, what do you guys do? Bila cari kebarangkalian? May I know? First step, langkah pertama kena buat selalu apa guys? Yang ni semua score X. So score X, apa kamu kena buat? First step, come on. I need to know whether you all know the step or not. Yes. Okay, always remember X score kena tukar ke score Z. Z score. Alright? Okay. So how to standardize? X minus mean over standard deviation sisian piawai. Okay? So you will get something like this. Okay, kamu akan dapat nilai ni. Okay, so this one you can direct refer table, rujuk jadual. Okay, so you will get the answer 0.1266. Okay, so next one, soalan B. They say that estimate the number of grade B orange. Okay, so the number of grade B orange is affected by what guys? Bilangan orange grade B tu dipengaruhi oleh apa? Kat sini. Quantity apa? May I know? Is affected by what? Anyone? What is your answer affected by? Bilangan orange grade B. Number of grade B orange. Affected by what? Dipengaruhi oleh apa kat sini? Anyone? Hello? 25 people, come on. Affected by what? Dipengaruhi oleh apa? Anyone? Come on. Guys, kamu semua tak mau saya panggil nama. Amirul. Kebarangkalian, bilangan orange grade B tu dipengaruhi oleh apa? Cuba bagi tahu saya. Amirul. The number of grade B orange is affected by what? May I know? Amirul? Adakah anda di sini? Yes or no? Amirul. Guys, are you all there or not? Marcus, you here, right? Marcus, tell me, the number of grade B orange affected by what? May I know? Affected by what in this question? Number of grade B orange. Guys, when I don't ask you question, this what happened lah guys. Bila saya tak tanya soalan, kamu semua rasa dah selesa. Am I right? Okay, can lah. GSIM can. Okay, but actually the correct answer is probability. Okay, because probability, you times the total, you will get the number of grade B orange. Am I right? Okay, so the answer is actually probability, guys. Kebarangkalian. Okay, so you just need to find, no need to salin, guys. I will share the material, so no need to salin one. Okay, jangan salin. Kamu jawab saja soalan saya. No need to copy. Okay, alright. So they ask you the grade B orange. Am I right? So kamu kena cari kebarangkalian yang ni lah. Okay, so you just do the same step. Okay, standardize. Okay, so over here, how to do it? 1 minus PZ greater than 40 over 35 minus PZ greater than 60 over 35. Okay, this is our step over here. Okay, langkah kita. So just refer jadual, get your answer. Okay, 0.8302, then darab dengan total orange to get the number of orange grade B. Okay, so last question. So last question, who volunteer to answer? Siapa nak jawab soalan akhir ni guys? Or you want me to call name again? Last question tadi, soalan terakhir. So anyone who want to help me for this last question? Am I someone who I can trust lah? Definitely not you, Marcus. I know. So anyone? Siapa suka rela buat soalan C? Tell me the step. First equation. What is the equation you must write for question C? Soalan C. They say cari GC minimum 99%. They ask you to find the minimum possible mass. So anyone? Can you type for me the inequality symbol? Simbol ketaksaman macam mana for this one? I want the whole equation. Saya nak seluruh persamaan. Yes, very good, Ryan Raj. Okay, x greater than or equal to 0.99. Correct. Okay, so you will get like this. Okay, this is your symbol, guys. So again, same step, standardize. Okay, lepas tu, so you refer over here, guys. Any problem in this equation, guys? May I know? Ada apa-apa masalah kat sini? What is wrong over here? Apa salah in this equation? You refer? See carefully. Are you sure? See carefully. Is there any problem here or not? Guys? Yes. Okay, that's the problem. Itu adalah masalah dia, guys. Your kebangkalian value in your jadual is always less than 0.5. Remember that. In your table, you can only read this value. Yes. Okay, you must do 1 minus. Remember. Okay, so 1 minus 0.99, 0.01. Okay, so you must add negative. Okay, kena tambah negative. Because when you use 1 minus, your symbol will change. Okay, become like this. 260 over 35 equal to 0.99. Okay, so you will get okay, you will get PZ greater than. Okay, so when greater than, what do we add, guys? Bila saya tukar simbol, kena tambah apa? When I switch the sign, what must I add? Remember, negative sign. So kalau kamu tambah negative, M minus 260, I must change to 260 minus M. Equal to 0.01. Okay, baca jadual. Okay, last time lah, guys. I show you how to read the table. Kali terakhir dah. So make sure you all focus how to read the table. 0.01. 0.01. Okay. So you see, guys, 0.01. Okay. So the value is somewhere down. 0.01. Okay. So over here, guys, what is the closest value? Gambar hilang? Where? Got gambar what? Now we are looking at the table. So which value, guys, will you choose over here? I want 0.01. So mana yang paling dekat? Which one is the closest? Yes, you choose this one lah. 0.0102. So you must minus by 2. Okay, so over here got many 2's. Ada banyak 2. So you just choose one lah, guys. Pilih satu saja. Your answer correct. Okay, so your value is 2.32. And then 6. 2.326. Okay, so you just substitute 2.326. Wow, Alvin, you message me. What gambar hilang? 2.326. Okay, so remember, negative sign, you must shift to the other side. Okay, kena pindah. Okay, because over here, I actually add negative. Okay, but if you don't want to show the negative sign, right? Kalau tak mau tunjuk simbol negatif pun boleh. You can change, become like this. Boleh tukar sedia ada macam ni. Then you just direct solve algebra. Okay, so you will get this equation. 260 minus M over 35 equal to 2.326. Kat sini saya takkan tambah negatif, guys. You compare these two equation, guys. Tengok perbezaan. This one and this one. So, guys, both of these are actually the same. Dua-dua ni sebenarnya sama. Okay, this one, they add negative on score Z. So, kalau kamu tambah negatif kat score Z, kalau darab negatif sebelah kanan, negatif pun kena darab sebelah kiri. Am I right? You times left hand side and right hand side. Then only equal. So guys, if I times negative on left hand side, I get this equal to negative 2.326. So guys, is it the same? Sama ke tak? Yes, exactly the same. So you can either choose to write This one or this one. Both also correct. Dua-dua pun betul. Okay? So your final answer. Okay, so over here we are talking about the mass. Okay, GC. Okay, so you must give it in the whole number. Kena bagi pada nombor bulat. Okay, so when you get this answer, make sure you round off. Okay, bundalkan. Alright, so final answer 179. Okay guys, congratulations. Kita dah habis Form 5 bab 5 dah. We already completed the whole of chapter 5. So do you guys understand? Boleh faham bab ni? Can you get it better after today's lesson? Boleh faham dengan bagus. Okay, so next lesson we will start on Trigo Adi. Kita akan mula bab favorite kamu lah. Form 5 bab 6. The last chapter in your NMATS. That one very long lah guys, panjang. So December kita akan fokus totally kepada bab 2. We'll focus 100% on Trigo sahaja. So yeah, we try to cover that chapter and see.